Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Asus ROG Ally is having an issue keep on shutting down, which is happening for few users right now. It started to happening for many of the users. So we are going to talk about some of the possible workaround which can be done when you're having this issue. The first one is all about you have to check whether the Asus ROG Ally is going through any overheating, because sometimes we might be playing the games. So if it is completely getting overheated, sometimes of many reasons, we might be having this particular issue. So if you understood with your hands, you can check whether the Asus ROG Ally is heat or not, which means it is overheating or not. So if it is overheating, by checking over here will be understood whether it's going through any kind of severe overheating issue or not. So if it is overheating, what you need to do is just need to go over here in the start, just click on this particular icon, do a complete shutdown and wait for around 30 to 1 hour. Just keep it aside. Make sure do not plug into the power source as well. Just keep it aside. Let this get completely cooled up. Once it's completely cooled up, you can check from your side that most probably afterwards you can try using this. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to turn off the fast startup. That is what we have to do. For doing this turn off fast startup, what you need to do is we just need to go over here in the search over here. We can navigate to the control panel, just go to the control panel. Now from this is how it looks like. So from here, if this is not the way it looks like, you can see over here there is an option called view by large icons. Sometimes this might be by default, it will be changed into small icons or something. So you need to change it to the large icons, then only you'll be having this particular option. So from here, what you need to do is just need to tap on the power option over here. You will be able to see the power option. Just tap on the power option over here. Once you from here, over here at the left, you can see there is an option called choose what the power buttons do. Just tap on it once again. Now from here, there is an option like this. This is how it looks like. And now you need to tap on change settings that are currently unavailable. Tap on this one. So you'll be getting this option. Now from here, there is an option called turn off fast startup. There is an option called this. So you just need to uncheck this. You have to uncheck this and you need to save the changes over here. Once you save the changes, you just need to close this, and mostly this should be completely fixed here afterwards. Even trying with this one, if the issue is still there, you can try with the next one. That is all about the basic one. We just need to update the driver. You can just update the driver. For this, we just need to go over here in the search. Like I said, you can go to the AMD software over here. Now from here, you have to go over here in the gear icon over here. Now from here you will be understood which is the version which you are using over here. So if any updates are there, you will be getting this option to update, so you can update it as well. So just update the driver. If any updates, the drivers are outdated, you will be having the trouble. So just update the driver. So afterwards, just close this as well and move to the next step. Even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you can try with the next one. That is all about we have to scan for virus. So this is actually a quick scan, but it worked for many users, so you can try this out. So just go over here in the search and we have to search for Windows security like this, search for Windows security. Now from here you'll be getting this option to tap on the virus and threat protection. There is an option called quick scan. You can see there is an option called quick scan. So just tap on the quick scan. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So once the quick scan is completely done, what happens is you'll be able to understand whether they're going through any kind of threat issues, all this thing which is causing the issue. So you can cross check them as well. Last and the least one is all about you have to make sure that is the battery is not drained up. So imagine that you're trying to play the game with charging. So at the same time, if you're having any kind of trouble in the power supply, you'll be having this particular issue. So it is quite important that you have to make sure that again the power supply is fine. If you're connecting with the charging you're playing the game at the same time along with the charging and all. So if it's not working along with when you're charging out, it is fine with this. You can remove everything, and once you remove everything, what you need to do is we just need to cool this down. You have to charge it once again. Make sure that you're having good enough charge over here, and if the charge is not there, you will be having the trouble. So make sure that is all the case. And these are the possible workarounds which can be done. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.